If you are working on a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse and want to turn off the automatic start-stop, then watch this video to find all tools and parts you will need. Everything will be listed in the description below. Here is the cable you will be plugging into the vehicle. As you can see, it has a QR code with instructions on how to install. Even with that, we are still going to show you how. The plug is located right above the cooling fans and right beside the hood latch. We will zoom in to get a better look. Now, with a flat head screwdriver, you will need to pull back the grey locking tab. Push in the black center to release the plug and pull them apart. Next, you will want to plug the new cable in between the two connectors we just unplugged, as the mechanic does here. As you can see, the wires are loose and hanging. The mechanic will now zip tie the wires up to keep them from hitting or rubbing anything around it. After the wires are secure, you are ready to drive the vehicle. I hope this video helped you all. Please give us a like and subscribe.